Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the location of Asas Estate. It's Asas State. It's not Babu Khan State. Okay. There are two states in Hyderabad. One is Asas Estate, which is going to be in Toli Choki, and the next one is there, Babu Khan State at Bashir Bagh. So welcome to this place. Let's let's witness the beginning of Asas Estate. This is Asas Estate. This structure is going to be here. It's a G+5 structure, and the location of the structure, I'm showing you the 3D work of our designer, and I'll show you where this building is going to be built. Now what we have started and where it is located. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the place where it is going to be. It's at Toli Choki X Roads, very near to Toli Choki Chaurasta, and this is the Toli Choki Chaurasta, this one. And from here, if you are going towards Gachibowli, so this is the place. This is the site. And for this, I'll show you the exact location where it is. Ground floor is going to be commercial, and the entrance would be from the second road. It's a double road plot, and the double road side you'll have two roads facing apartment, which is going to be around 1300 SFT, 1350 SFT, and towards your right, these apartments will be 1250 SFT. So every apartment is going to have a road, and this is Asas Estate at Toli Choki X Road. If I could take you to the map, this is the double road one. It's 3 BHK plus drawing room, and then in between you have 3 BHK with a hall, and then at your right, a single road will have a 3 BHK with a hall. So this is what it is. It's a double road plot, and this is the location. That's the bridge of Toli Choki. If someone who's aware of this Chaurasta would be able to recognize it very easily, it's a Toli Choki Chaurasta, and that's the Toli Choki bridge. And this one is the new mall which is coming up. It's a new shopping mall which is coming up by Marvin Group. Alright, and then right next to it is this plot. And to give you one more landmark, the main road, and then you have this Relief Hospital. This is the entrance of the Relief Hospital. It's right opposite to Relief Hospital, and it has got a very wide enough road. And this is the site. And this is a two road plot. You could see the size of the roads and the neighboring community. It's a very busy road, and this is the colony road, Badambal Reddy Nagar colony, and this is the neighborhood, how it looks. Now this is the location. As I told you, it's a double road apartment, and this is road number 1, and that's road number 2. We have just initiated the project and started off by building the retaining walls. Now ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you what the retaining wall is. Retaining walls are made for the dams to hold the water behind it, and to safeguard the rest of the colonies which will be situated or located beyond that. Now retaining wall, even the retaining wall, if I could show you this is a pillar, and the retaining wall is wider and thicker than the pillar. If I could show you, it's wider and thicker than the pillar. Now, the retaining wall of one side is completely done. Alright, and the second side of the retaining wall is almost half done, and excavation is on full swing. And there will be a cellar, basement parking, and it is going to be safe from the water logging and all those things. Complete precautionary measures are being taken. Complete safety and security things are being taken care. It will be two-side road, two-side open plot, and two-side will be open to sky. This is the community, the neighborhood. Iqbal Plaza is right next to it. One side is Iqbal Plaza, the other side is the Maamin shopping mall. The third side will be the Relief Hospital, and two sides will be the road. And there, the red brick structure, what you see there, that's the mosque. It's hardly 100, not even 100 meters. It's hardly 50 meters away from the location. You just get down of the building and you will reach to the mosque. So this is the location where we will be having 3 BHK, 2 BHK, and yes, the ground floor commercial is already sold out. So Ramadan Kareem, happy Ramadan, Ramadan Mubarak to all of you watching this video and all the Muslims around the world. May Allah bless you. The best of Ramadan ever. This is the first time I'm stepping into this site of Asas Estate, and let's see what has been excavated till date. The retaining walls are done, and let's call this boy and ask what's happening. Idhar aana beta zara. The boy is coming, and kya naam hai beta aapka? Mohammad Jalal. Jalal, आप वॉचमैन है ना बेटा इधर? हाँ, जलाल यहाँ बोरिंग करा है ना? इस्तेमाल करे बोरिंग? कहाँ है नल का पानी? किधर भर रहे अपन? उधर है नल का पानी. कैसा है? बहुत है पानी? हाँ, ये काम कैसा चला? ये पूरा क्यूरिंग, माल मिलाना, ये सारी चीजें नल से ही चला. एंड द बोरवेल, दिस इज द बोरिंग. बोरिंग कहाँ है बेटा? मोटर नहीं लगाया अभी. Now this borewell pit is not yet started, but it is almost 800 feet below the ground level, and the JCB is 24/7 working. Hopefully we should have the project done prior to the due date. And one more thing, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this project, if you book, you'll have a municipal permission for G+2. Ground floor is already sold out, the entire commercial. This is the place where all the shops are going to be made. And yes, you're going to have a very lengthy payment tenure of these flats, these apartments, which is 1350 SFT each apartment on each floor, and 1250 SFT, 2 flats on each floor. So basically it's going to be 3 units, one of 1350 which will be here double road, and 1250 will be in middle, right opposite to the Relief Hospital, and next third 1250 will be adjacent to that mall and the first flat from the main road. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this, investing your precious time, and have a nice, fantastic, fantabulous day ahead. And I hope you have got a fair idea what is the project all about. And if you have any queries, please let us know. Please do subscribe to our channel, lmh.hyd. Thank you. Have a nice, fantastic, fantabulous and great day ahead. And yes, last but not the least, Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan Mubarak. May Allah bless all of you with the best of the Ramadan, and bless you immensely and take care of your health and have a nice and fantabulous day. This is Firoz Khan from Asas Constructions and Landmark Homes. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.